This is Avinash Sharma, and in this video, we will discuss the business solution with the ChatGPT. It means what are the possibilities of creating the business solutions with the ChatGPT. What kind of business solution we can have with the ChatGPT? So just we check one small example. Suppose there is a company, and company wants to create a slogan for its product, that is the milk product. So if you write create a slogan from the cream milk, then the possible answers are get stronger bonds, drink it, do not ditch it, consume every day, goods for all ages, milk as a necessary. So these are the possible answers from the ChatGPT as a business solution. We check one more example. Suppose you want to create the list of the question answer for a particular subject. Suppose you write create a questions list for the history with multiple answers. Then the possible answers from the GPT is, so you can check the example of the answers. Who was the first Indian ruler who had territory outside India? And there are multiple answers. So with this kind of solution, business solution, you can have from the ChatGPT for the question and answers. Now we check one more example, slightly complex example. Suppose you have the Outlook Express and you receive the emails in the Outlook Express regarding some appointments. So the candidates are sending the CV in your Outlook Express, and your job is to summarize those CVs on the basis of the say experience, age, or department or whatever is it. Now here the ChatGPT can play very important role. You need to integrate the ChatGPT in your Outlook Express. Then create the app and implement the processing part in this app. Now this process will automate your job. Whenever the email is coming to your Outlook Express, the ChatGPT will automatically transfer the email to the app, and app will process or will summarize that emails according to your requirement. Now we check the different type of the models available in the OpenAI. There are three models. GPT-3, 3 is the version, and the second model is the Codex, and third one is the Dolly. So GPT already we have discussed, and Codex. The Codex basically it translates the natural language into the code, and the Dolly, this can generate the pictures, or we can say it's a picture generator. So in the coming next video, we will focus how to integrate the ChatGPT in the MS Team, Power Automate and Excel, and then how to create the business solution with this integration. So guys, this was just the theory part, how to create the business solution with the ChatGPT. In the coming video, we will check how to integrate this ChatGPT for creating the business solution. Thanks for watching the video. If we check this diagram, so combining three models, GPT-3, Codex and the Dolly, we can integrate for creating the business solution like in the Outlook Express, Power App, Power Automate, Team, MS Team and the Excels. And also in the standalone applications, say like Bubble, Airtable, Zapier, we also integrate the ChatGPT in this application. So in the coming video, how to integrate this ChatGPT in the for creating the business solution, we will discuss.